Hello everyone, it's an honor for me to be here with all of you today. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity. Today I am here to talk about business, to being an entrepreneur. The youngest entrepreneur in India is just a 13-year-old boy. His name is Tilak Mehta. He is a co-founder of paper and parcel company. It's just a simple idea of courier business, but the twist is that he delivered at the same day of purchasing and it's low cost than others. He started his first branch in Mumbai. He generated over 100 crore plus revenue every single year with this startup idea. India has 4th rank in global entrepreneurship. India has 76 million entrepreneurs. It's a huge achievement for our country. So to being an entrepreneur, age does matter. You need to have some money. You need to have some another backup plan. There are all misconceptions in our country. You just need to find one problem and then solve that problem and make it as your startup idea. E-commerce business is the best opportunity for entrepreneurs. There are so many people who started it, but it doesn't mean that you can't do it. You just need a different perspective of thinking. We have one more example of the youngest entrepreneur in the world. Is Mikaela Ulmer. She is just 4-year-old when she found her first startup idea. One day she found her grandmother's diary and she found a recipe of lemon water. She started a little stall of lemon water and people will like the lemon water, but she wanted to make it more better. So she added honey in a lemon water and people will love the new drink. And she make it as a brand which is called Me and the Beast Lemon Water. She generated over 85 crore plus revenue with this startup idea. Remember, you don't have everything sorted at the beginning, whether it's selling online or running a lemon water stand. So find a mistake, fix it and enjoy the ride. Letting your inner entrepreneur shine. Let stories like this encourages you to view challenges as a chances to shine. Thank you so much.